morning, ladies and gentlemen, all participants and committee of the GoGreen Summit in Malang. I apologize for presenting this paper by video. I am Rahayu Relawati from University of Muhammadiyah Malang, Indonesia, and our team from UMM and UPN Yogyakarta. Our research is about adapting climate change done by farmer household around them for food security in Bojonegoro, Indonesia. As an introduction, we know that climate change causes the uncertainty of weather. Of course, it influences the agricultural production. On the other hand, the population growth needs fulfillment of their food. So, climate change threatens the food security. Especially the farmers around them in Bojonegoro, they plant crops at around them when the dam is dry. The uncertainty of weather could threaten their food security. The research purposes were to determine the farmer perception on climate change, the farmer adaptation on climate change, and the factors affecting household food security at the climate change situation. The limitation of this research are food security is focused only on food sufficiency at the household level, and the respondent were farmers around the dam named Waduk Pacal in Bojonegoro. Next, the method. The research was conducted at Desa Kedung Sumber, Bojonegoro Regency, Indonesia. The farmers around dam named Waduk Pacal. The primary data were obtained by questionnaire, and the research sample farmers who plant crops on the dry dam. They are around 30% of the farmers' population at the village. And the descriptive and SEM analysis is used in the research. Next, the research results showed that the main crops planted are chili, maize, and tobacco. The most farmland owned by farmer is a quarter of hectare, and on average half hectare. And the average farm income was 5.7 million rupiah per season. Next, the same analysis showed that climate influence the farm production, and the farm production influence food sufficiency. It can be identified from the alpha value less than 5%. And from table 1, the non-farm income is not significant. However, it helped the farmer to survive on climate change. And from table 2, almost all factors loading more than 0.9 means that high correlated, and food sufficiency which score more than 5 were only carbohydrate, vegetable protein, and vegetable. The conclusion: farmers' perception about climate change, it was hard to predict when the dam water is full and dry. Their adapting effort on climate change were changing the crops and beginning cultivation earlier to avoid the dam flooded. The climate significantly affected the farm production. The farm production and non-farm income positively determine the food sufficiency. The last is our recommendation. For government, the assistance of farmers is needed in adapting the climate change, and for researchers, developing the appropriate adaptation framework to respond the impact of climate change. That is all our presentation. If any response, please contact me through email. Thank you.